FreshBooks is the simple cloud-based accounting solution for freelancers and small business owners. Check it out at the link in the video description. So we're here at the Sony booth where they are showing off the next evolution in their short throw 4K laser projector technology. This one differs from previous iterations in that it is a little bit more furniture-like in its implementation. So instead of it just containing a 4K laser projector, it also has a built-in shelf, and maybe the power's coming back on now? Nope. Be careful. They were just informing us that there is a power outage. We noticed. Thank you. Sorry for that. So in a nutshell, it is a more complete package than ever before, and that's why it actually costs more. So while the last generation had a couple of cabinets and speakers, this one has a shelf, which is cool because you can put your Xbox, excuse me, your PlayStation down there, and it also has 5 speakers and a subwoofer. So there's 2 tweeters using Sony's advanced vertical drive. So they're actually glass and they radiate sound in all directions. And there are 3 mid-range speakers built into the chassis, with one of them actually firing out the back that acts as a center speaker. So it's pointed at the wall and then it bounces the sound towards the viewer. The sub is actually the big thing that's kind of at the back near the bottom. And from listening to it, it's actually surprising how much sound they've managed to pack into this little package. Now let's talk about the image. So it actually uses pretty similar tech to Sony's last generation solution. So it's still a single laser DLP, but that's without a spinning color wheel, so you shouldn't see any rainbow effect. And it can handle a maximum image size of 120 inches at only 9.5 inches from the wall. So that's actually pretty similar to what we're looking at right here. It's 4K. It's HDR, it has a maximum luminance of 2,500 lumens, and they're planning to make it available in the US sometime this spring. Now, it's gonna cost you a pretty penny at about $30,000, but if you think of it more in terms of like fancy furniture pricing and less in terms of firing a laser projected image at your wall pricing, then maybe that starts to get a little bit more reasonable if you're into that sort of thing. I mean, you got your engineered marble top, you got your design that I think subjectively looks pretty darn good and neutral, so it should look great in pretty much any space. That's real wood on the shelf there, folks. And you know what else is real? The time you can save with FreshBooks. FreshBooks is the cloud-based accounting solution that lets you save time and work more efficiently as a small business owner or freelancer. You can create and send professional-looking invoices in less than 30 seconds. You can make up for all the time you waste listening to announcements from the CES Convention Center here, the Las Vegas Convention Center, excuse me. You can track your expenses and your hours with their great mobile apps for iOS and Android, and you can try it for free at the link in the video description. So thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, you can hit that button. But if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed. Don't miss any of our CES 2018 content, and we will see you at the next booth. At least as long as the, can I have that? At least as long as the battery for our light here doesn't, go out. I can't get the battery out. I'm trying to show how dark it is in here. It's dark.